Quora just told me they featured my post to 50 million people in less than 12 months. So I'm going to show you how you can replicate my success and earn your first $100 online. Making money online, especially your first $100, should not be a difficult task. Most of us humans overcomplicate things and think it requires more work than it actually does. With today's technology and fast-reaching platforms, it is easier than ever to generate money online. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $100 online. This money-making method only requires 3 simple things. The first is to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The second is a Quora account, which is free. And the third is an AI copywriting tool that will do 80% of the work for us. And don't worry, none of these things will cost you a penny. Now, before we get started, I will be gifting over $1,000 of courses and gifts to one person who comments the right answer to the following question. What is the #1 reason why people struggle earning an income online? Don't miss out on this opportunity to win one of these prizes, so pause the video and quickly comment your answer below. I'll be announcing the winner in the next video. Let's start this money-making method. Starting off with Quora is a fantastic opportunity because it takes very little effort to answer questions and they will gift you more traffic than you can handle. With the method I'm about to show you, you really won't need to be answering questions yourself because it will be done for you, but we will talk more about that later on. If we head over to Quora and go into your content and stats, you can see in the last 30 days I've had 188,472 views across my posts. Let's change that to the last 3 months, which has been 728,061 views, and let's change that to all time, which is over 2,205,272 views. And I started this account on May 5th, 2021. Heading over to our notifications, 8 hours ago, Quora congratulated me because they featured my answer in over 50 million people's news feeds. Which, if we really think about it, 50 million news feeds is a lot of people. So this account has generated over 2 million views and been published to over 50 million news feeds from only 5 hours work a week in the space of 30 days. And the crazy thing about this is that the AI tool did 80% of the work for me. How crazy is that? So here's how you can start the process of replicating my success. The first thing you want to do is head over to Quora and click sign up with an email. Fill out all the basic information, then you want to optimize your bio, so head over to your profile, go to your account, and in this area you're going to want to upload a profile picture by clicking here, and then you want to create a bio, which is basically telling people what you're going to be talking about on Quora. If you are stuck with how to generate a bio, don't worry, we can get the AI copywriting tool to do it a little later on. Now at this stage, you're going to want to start finding questions so you can answer them. But what most people do, which is a massive mistake, is they will just scroll down the newsfeed and answer any question that they deem fit. And let me tell you, I tried this and it's not very effective. What you want to do is find hot and trending questions that are going to get you views or on the verge of blowing up. Sounds easy? Well, it is. Let me show you how you can find these questions. Head over to your profile icon and go into Ads Manager. Don't worry, we're not going to be spending a penny. Then go into New Campaign, select a conversion event and just put generic. As a budget, put in whatever budget. Don't worry, again, we're not going to be spending anything, and do continue. In this area, scroll down and go to questions. Click on bulk ad and then type in your overall topic. So for me, it's going to be YouTube, and then do continue. And now you have all the latest trending questions, and you can even see how many weekly views each of these questions are getting. Some of these are brand new questions and have only just been released this week. So you want to open up a notepad or Excel document and just paste in these questions. So now we have some questions we're comfortable answering. The next stage is to put these through the AI copywriting tool and let that do 80% of the work for us. If you already have a tool that will answer these questions, that's fine. Continue with the video. If you don't, I've included a free trial link to the tool that I'm using, so you don't need to spend a penny before you start earning with the method. Inside the copywriting tool, go to the search bar and type in Quora. We have Quora answers here. Select the template, get up your document that we used before, copy the first question and then paste it in. If you want to include information in the answer, enter it here, but I'm just going to leave everything blank and then do generate. Now we have these answers that we can do two things with. We can either copy and paste it into the Quora question, or we can expand on these answers. So let's go ahead and copy this to the keyboard, go to dashboard, click new document, start from scratch, and we're going to paste this in. And now if we want to start filling out the answers, we place our cursor at the end of the paragraph and do compose. We repeat the process, and now we turned a 111 worded blog into a 440 worded blog. So by now you can see just how easy it is to find hot and trending questions and then using an AI copywriting tool like what I just showed you to answer those questions with absolute ease and speed and really good quality. However, there are a few things that will slow down your process if you do incorrect on Quora. So here are a few tips to get you started and to make sure it doesn't slow down your growth on Quora. Number one is do not post links until you've answered around 20 questions and or been on the platform for 10 days. Quora isn't the biggest fan of links, so they will remove answers from new accounts that have links. Number two is when you post a link, make sure it goes to a website or social media page and not a buy now product, as this is frowned upon. It's best to have a buffer page you send people to. Number three is bullet points. People love bullet points, so create your content in this style. For any skeptics on this method, in my description I've created a Quora live case study where I recorded the entire process of me answering Quora questions every day for 30 days, spending only 1 hour per day. I'd recommend watching this as it goes into more detail on how it can be done and further information on earning money. This brings us to the end of this money making method, and I hope you take action today by working smarter and not harder. Thank you for watching, and until next time.